It is, I don't even know what day. I think it's a Tuesday because I heard someone talk about Taco Tuesday earlier. Well, that is it. It is Tuesday, June 16th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. It's been a wild ride. Been a wild ride in the markets, in my life. After I came to y'all last, my dog passed away, which was unexpected and quick and at home. I'm still waiting on surgery for my foot. I had made the decision to go without insurance for a little bit, and that decision was bad timing. It was right before COVID hit. So now I'm having to reevaluate that situation because I'm going to be paying out of pocket for my foot. We just talked to the hospital, which we will not be doing the surgery at because just for using their facility, $22,000. Wow. So we're going to be talking to some surgery centers close by, and I think I'm going to be looking back into some insurance. As much as I like to think that I am full of grace, I injure myself a little more often than I like to admit. So yesterday we talked a little bit about market rollover. I put out a video so you knew how to change over your markets in the immediate, just to check it out, or for the permanent rollover, which I went ahead and did during the video yesterday. Went ahead and just made that permanent rollover. Pulled down to, and just really quick, because I talked about rolling over contracts, which if you are trading, you want to make sure you're always on the contract that has a lot more volume. If you're in something like you profit trader, you probably should have already made the switch over to the new contract. How to properly handle that, how to trade over turn over just a couple of charts just to make sure if it's something you want to change to, or you can put over all of the charts all at once, like everything you got across the board can be put out right then. Okay, so that's enough chit chat for today. Let's go ahead and check out the market. Oh, we didn't even look at the daily chart. I looked at it earlier this morning. Let me just bring it up really quick. Pulled back, reversal bar has pulled up. It is really making the attempt to push up, but this is the space that could pull it back down a little bit further again before it does go up, if it's going to. There we go. This is popping up. My risk is not in a great place. I think I got impatient. Do have my finger over a close button. Gotta wait just a little bit longer. God bless Lindsay. You're chasing these. That's still showing strength down, but it's not very strong. It's at that bottom Bollinger Band. There we go. And let's move that up. hit close here. I'm going to tell you why I'm going to hit close here. We pulled back up, and this is going to show a pretty good possibility of pulling back into here at this point, kind of snuggling back into that area. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we've done today. Oh, there she goes. You know what? I think I'm done for today. I've got some things I can do. I've got a call I need to make. Let's look at this. 8.5 points. So 8 points, 2 trades. 1 loss, 1 win. So it was just a little early on that first one. $8 points, so that's an hour, $400. Who doesn't like making $400 an hour? Then can choose when you want to work and don't have to answer to anybody. I love that, especially sitting at home with my broken foot. It's always a pleasure. I'm gonna go ahead and call that a day. I do see like temptations to want to still be able to trade this, and I have a call I need to make. I have a couple of things I need to do, and I've got a whole list. I just hit my foot. I have a whole list of to-dos for today. Time to chop up on that, right? Because I am a firm believer of having our eggs in more than one basket. So while day trading is something that I love to do, I love working with it, I love a lot of other things. That's the life, right? By the way, guys, we're working on translating the curriculum into Spanish, and will be Portuguese eventually. It's going to take a little bit longer, but it's going to be good though. It'll be, once it's all done, it will be able to help so many more people. So guys, we're going to wrap that up. Don't forget, for June, we have a 30% discount on You Profit Traders, so make sure you're checking that out. We do have a couple of openings. I did have one get filled last week. I have one that'll be filled this week, and that leaves me with about 2 more openings. So if you're interested in responsible day trading and taking this time to learn to become your own boss, definitely hit me up. I don't normally ask, but guys, if you would like and subscribe, it sure does help me out, so I would appreciate that. It gets the message out just a little bit more, and hopefully can help some more people. So remember, if you wanted to check out yesterday's video, that'll teach you how to roll over your contracts, and wish me luck. I haven't taken pain medicine in a few days. I know I'll be back on it whenever whenever this surgery is done. This crazy world we live in, and I really appreciate everybody here. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for giving me a piece of your ear, or even spending some time with me, because it makes it all worthwhile. I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday, y'all. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and as always, guys, you know I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.